Kawasaki KLX300 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. As the motorcycle industry continues to embrace the growing number of beginner riders, few bikes manage to strike the right balance between accessibility, versatility, and fun. The Kawasaki KLX300, however, hits that sweet spot with precision. Offering off-road capability, on-road comfort, and beginner-friendly performance, the KLX300 is quickly becoming known as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in 2025. The KLX300 is a dual-sport motorcycle, meaning it's built for both pavement and trails. This type of bike is perfect for new riders who want to explore different riding environments without having to commit to a single type of terrain. Whether it's commuting through city streets, riding country backroads, or venturing off-road for weekend adventures, the KLX300 is up for the task. Powering the KLX300 is a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. It's tuned for low-end torque and smooth power delivery, which makes it ideal for riders still learning throttle control and shifting techniques. With around 27 horsepower, the bike has enough punch for highway travel while remaining unintimidating for novices. One of the biggest advantages for beginners is the KLX300's lightweight build. Weighing in at just 302 pounds, curb weight, the bike is easy to maneuver, even at low speeds or in tight situations. The dual-purpose tires and long travel suspension, featuring a 43mm inverted front fork and unitrack rear shock, give the KLX300 impressive handling on dirt trails while maintaining composure on pavement. For new riders concerned about control and comfort, the KLX300 offers a forgiving ride with a tall seat height of 35.2 inches, which gives excellent visibility and helps riders develop confidence in body positioning and terrain reading. Though the seat height may seem high for some, its narrow profile allows most riders to touch the ground more easily than expected. Kawasaki also offers the KLX300 SM, a supermoto variant with lower seat height and 17-inch street wheels for those more focused on road riding. In terms of tech, the KLX300 keeps things simple and rider-focused. It features fuel injection for easy starts and better fuel economy, electric start, and a lightweight digital instrument panel. There's no overwhelming tech package here, just straightforward performance and reliability. Styling-wise, the KLX300 reflects its off-road DNA with rugged bodywork, bold graphics, and a high-mounted fender. It's a bike that looks adventurous and delivers on that promise. Beyond its capabilities, what makes the KLX300 truly attractive to beginners is its affordability and reliability. Kawasaki's reputation for durable engines and low-maintenance design makes ownership stress-free. With a competitive price tag and excellent fuel efficiency, it's a practical entry point into motorcycling. In conclusion, the Kawasaki KLX300 is a top-tier beginner motorcycle for riders who crave versatility and adventure. With its easy handling, off-road chops, and everyday usability, it's the perfect tool to learn the ropes and explore the world one trail and twisty road at a time.